Hi friends, today I teach you class 7th subject English book An Alien Hand Supplementary chapter number 2 questions and answers part 2. Question number 8, what is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? Answer: the master call was a strange kind of hissing like a snake and howling like a tiger. It sounded like a fight between a snake and a tiger. The sound had to be made in the elephant's ear. It was a necessary signal for Curry to uproot trees and make a passage through the dense forest for the house. Question number 9. How old were Curry, the elephant, and the narrator? Answer: Curry, the elephant, was 5 months old when he was given to the narrator. The narrator was 9 years old then. Question number 10. What did Curry eat and how much? Answer: Curry ate twigs. He did not eat much. Still, he needed 40 pounds of it daily. He chewed the twigs and played with them. Question number 11. What did the narrator do with the hatchet? Answer: the narrator had to bring some luscious twigs for Curry's dinner. He used to cut down the twigs with a very sharp hatchet. Question number 12. Why did the narrator climb the trees? Answer: the narrator had to get twigs for Curry. The most tender and delicate twigs were found on the trees, so he used to climb the trees. Question number 13. Why was it necessary to train Curry to he good? Answer: Curry was like a naughty boy. He took pleasure in making mischief. Therefore, he had to be trained to be good. Question number 14. Who were wrongly blamed for the theft of the bananas? Answer: the bananas were stolen again and again. First of all, the narrator's family blamed the servants for eating all the fruit. The next time, the narrator himself was blamed for the theft. Both the narrator and the servants were wrongly blamed. Curry used to steal the bananas every time. Question number 15. What did the narrator do when he found Curry stealing the bananas? Answer: the narrator found Curry stealing the bananas. He pulled out Curry from the pavilion by the ear. He showed Curry to his parents. He also scolded the elephant. Question number 16. Give a character sketch of Curry. Answer. Curry the elephant lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof. Once he saved the life of a drowning boy with the narrator's help. He was fond of eating twigs. Answer number 16. Remaining answer. He enjoyed rolling in sand and bathing in the river. He was a sensible elephant. He made a call to the narrator when he saw a boy drowning in the river. He helped the narrator fully in bringing out the drowning child. He was a naughty elephant. He took pleasure in making mischief. He had to be a great love for the ripe bananas. He used to steal the bananas. When the narrator scolded him, his ego was hurt. He never stole anything in future. He was willing to be punished for his wrong. He was a slow but good learner like a child. Question number 17. Give the character sketch of the narrator. Answer. The narrator was a boy of 9 years when the 5 months old Curry was given to him. They grew together. He was not a good swimmer. However, he saved the life of a drowning boy with the help of the elephant. He grew friendly with the elephant. He climbed up the trees to get luscious twigs for Curry. He took Curry to the river and rubbed him with clean sand. He cut the twigs with a sharp hatchet. He always heeded to the elephant's call. He was a boy of ego. He got angry with his parents when they blamed him in harsh language. Answer number 17. Remaining answer. He learned how to make the elephant sit down, walk, go fast or go slow by saying Di Hat and Mali.